G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you the brand new FishCraft Dr. Glide. The FishCraft Dr. Glide is a glide bait that moves gently through the water with an ultra lifelike action. The Dr. Glide comes in two sizes. The 127mm weighs 23 grams and is a floating lure, and the 76mm Dr. Glide is a 7.5 gram and it's a slow sinking model. The body is made from high impact ABS construction and features a durable single joint which allows the lure to move from side to side with a slight twitch of the rod tip. The Dr. Glide is fitted with stainless steel split rings and chemical sharpened trebles and has a great range of custom paint colours that appeals to a multitude of fresh and saltwater fish. From sand flats to timber structure, the FishCraft Dr. Glide has you covered. And for more information on FishCraft lures, go to motackle.com.au.